Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Asma Dia. I am an interior architect and this is my first video in a new series only about anything can inspire or help you to design or decorate your space to make it your lovely dream home. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the red button below the video and the bell next to it to get all the notifications every time I upload new one. Today, I'm gonna share with you guys the most common mistakes that people make every time when it comes to decorate or remodeling their homes. I'm gonna let you know what are those mistakes and quick tips how to effectively solve and fix them. So let's get started. Mistake number 1, start designing before determining your style yet. Well, many people start to buy their furniture or picking colors or rug style or even accessories just because they like it in some showrooms or stores, or even they think it's a good price, without considering all the other elements in the space that should work together in order to create a coordinated look and cohesive home. So they ended up with too many styles in just one room, or even a style doesn't fit or define their favorite style or taste. To avoid this mistake, you need to start first with what we call mood board. Well, mood board is a collection of inspirational images or materials or anything inspire you to create or complete your design, to help you visualizing the space you are trying to remodel or even design from scratch. And here are some examples of some inspiring mood boards. Mistake number 2, scale of furniture. So this is a very common issue because we all seem to buy the wrong size of furniture for our homes, either way too small or even too big. When you tend to buy furniture, you need to keep in mind 2 things: the size of the room or your space, and the amount of space each piece will take. So we need to understand the scale of things, whether if we have a really small or tight space or we have a big or huge one. You ended up in the both case with the same problem. Knowing the size of the room by making floor plan. How to do this? Simply draw your room out and just need to get all the information and dimensions down, like length and width and the height ceiling. Mark down any windows or doorways or anything might be affecting your furniture layout, like columns or anything in the middle. So furniture needs to accommodate movement from one space to another, because you need to have amount of space needed to circulate comfortably. Here are some essential dimensions you need to keep in mind to have the comfort traffic flow in your space. For example, you need 3 foot to extend your leg while seated, and 3 foot from edge to wall to the desk, back of sofa, dining table, etc. For the bedrooms, You need 3 feet between bed and dresser, and 18 inches from edge to wall to the bed to let the person making his bed. Also, between 2 beds, you need 3 feet. And we will go over this in details in another video. Mistake number 3. Primary focal point. What's the focal point? It's the area or item where the eye is drawn first when you enter your room or space. It gives the environment a sense of purpose and stimulates the sense as the eye moves from one area to another area. So, if your room lacking focal point, use your furniture to create it, or your painting of wall, or TV, or large windows, or anything like that. So, focal point, it doesn't have to be furniture only or painting only, or one thing in particular. So you can use any of design elements to use as a focal point. And if you have a very large room, you may need to apply more than one primary focal point, like having a second or third focal point. Mistake number 4. Paint color. Since color is the function of light, so you need to select your color in the actual light in your room. That means don't pick or choose your color from samples or chips in the stores. So ask the store for drawn dons or brush outs with large version of paint chips to take it with you to home and test them with your actual space light. And remember, you need to test them at different time of the day to determine the right choice color. Another thing for exterior surfaces. The exterior surfaces or exterior walls will have same experience with a little different way. Let's imagine you're gonna paint your exterior wall of your house. You need to consider when the sun hit the other buildings across the street will reflect their colors, bouncing another color back onto your surfaces. Another mistake with the paint. When it comes with the white color, many people like to play safe and paint just white. Well, white is not just white. There are many shades of white. If you are living in a space that has cool or daylight the most, do not choose cooler shade. You need to go with the warmer one because it's bringing out the red tones and natural skin color, not ending up with the pale mood. Also, if you have a low ceiling, do not use the dark color. Well, last thing about paint you need to know it's paint finishing. There are like 4 of paint finishing: flat, eggshell, semi-gloss, and gloss. The flat one has no glossy finishing and it works well to hide any imperfection on your surface, but will not stand repeating washing and wear. So do not recommend it to use in the bathroom or kitchen. Eggshell and semi-gloss need good and perfect surface because it cannot hide any imperfection, but it will expose to moisture well, which is perfect for the bathroom and the kitchen. Okay guys, we have come to the end of part 1 of this video about most common mistakes you might make around your home. And if you want to know more of those mistakes and know how to fix them, make sure to watch part 2 of this video, which will come very soon on my channel. I hope you liked and enjoyed all the tips and helped you to make changes to your sweet home. So see you guys in the next video.